Hello, everybody. What a glorious day in Massachusetts. I'm Helen Chin-Lu. I am a certified reflexologist, certified energy medicine practitioner, a Reiki master and teacher. And welcome to the Healing Place Energy School YouTube channel. I want to remind you, this Tuesday, August 16th at 7 p.m., I am offering the last lesson of Manage Stress and Anxiety with Mindfulness, which is a 5-part course series. And if you missed any of our lessons, I talk about how to melt away stress and anxiety with hand reflexology, how to create a self-care meditation, how to create a self-care prescription, what is mindfulness, and what does negative energy do to your energy flow. All of this is really vital to your well-being. And then on August 23rd, I am planning to do a live Ask the Reflexologist. And this is a prelude in a 3-part course series that I'm offering in September is Digestive Health with Mindfulness. And we're going to talk about how do you eat your emotions and how does it get trapped in your digestive tract, a foot reflexology step-by-step, and we're going to end with a healing meditation. All of this just for being a member of the Healing Place Energy School. Want to learn more how to join for $24.99 a month, and which you could cancel anytime? Click on the link above where you see join. I'll see you this Tuesday, August 16th, 7 p.m. for meditation and why we need to meditate. I'll talk to you then. Bye-bye. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon for our latest videos.